Hi viewers, welcome to Toby's YouTube official channel. Myself Abdullah, and today I gonna explain our camping item. So you people can see in my hand, this is car storage box 2 from Toby's, a new addition in Toby's camping. When it's packed in a bag and when you open it, it will be look like this, a good one, 60 cm. Over this product have very separate and special features. This is a cover. You can be used only like this. Just put the things inside and go for camping. If you want to close from up, there is a patch. Just put it here. Make it close. And also you can divide in 3 parts. 2 small and 1 big. Car storage box have a pocket, can be used for outside things. Our car storage have a strong base, not easy to damage, no quickly press, a good product. Guys, this is a very best product for a camping. If you're gonna buy through online, please visit us tobysook.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba. If you're gonna buy at Toby's branches, visit Dagamart and Dera branch.